Good afternoon and welcome to the new vlog. I'm still in Madrid and tomorrow is my last day, so I was actually planning to start this vlog tomorrow. Today I was mostly packing, but now I'm going to the tower to see the panoramic view of the city. So I thought that some of you might like to see that too, and that's why I decided to just start it now. So let's go, not to be late. Good morning, it's officially the last day and yeah, it just feels sad. Today I'm taking you to Rastro, which is this big open market in Madrid. It's basically all over this one area here. I think actually I showed you in September, October when I went. But yeah, it's actually every Sunday, but I didn't go that often. I went maybe a few times, I don't know. But now I feel like because it's my last Sunday here and my last day, I really want to go. And also to eat something around. Now I think for breakfast I will have some churros because why not? And yeah, after that, I don't know, I will show you everything that I do. I'm almost packed. Here is a big one and behind me is a small one. I still have a few more things to add and then tonight I'm gonna have dinner with my girls. Yeah, my flight is actually tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. So I'm going back to Venice, so I probably won't sleep tonight because it doesn't make sense. Hopefully this last day will be enjoyable for both me and you. I didn't say hi since I came to Venice, but yeah, it was a very early morning flight from Madrid to Venice. So I didn't sleep at all that night, and at 4 I went to the airport because my flight was at 6:30, and then of course I slept in the plane. But every time that I woke up, I did like little videos that I showed you, and it was super nice to see like sunrise and like the mood of landing to Venice and everything. It was super nice. And then whenever I arrived, like that was 30th of January, I came back one day before I planned actually, because on 31st I had exam that was yesterday. I mean, I didn't take anything for that exam in Spain on that Erasmus, so I had to do it for my credits. And yeah, I mean, it went well, whatever. It's economy that I don't know, but yeah, I figured it out. And yeah, the first day actually that I came, I just slept the whole day because I was super tired. So basically I didn't film anything. And then in the evening I just went to like have a drink with my friend because I'm staying at her house for these 2 days. And today I'm moving into my new room. I mean, the same residence as before, but new room. So I'm excited to see who's my new roommate. It's just so annoying because I had to carry my suitcases now to her house, and then 2 days after I have to move them again, and then I'm going to Belgrade in a few days. So these days I'm like jumping from one place to another, so it's a bit of a mess. I loved Madrid and I really loved being there, and Spain is amazing and everything was super cool, but something about Italy hits different. I don't know, it's just me. Yeah, it's a bit cold here actually, but still sunny and nice. So we're gonna have a walk now, and then yeah, in the afternoon moving, so that's gonna be fun. Painful for my arms, and 10 bridges that we have to cross. So enjoy this vlog until the end. Hello from my new room. I just wanted to show you a little quick room tour for the end of this video so that you don't have to wait for another vlog because I'm already here. Right now not everything is at its place because I'm still like figuring some things out, and tomorrow I'm going to Belgrade, so it's still a bit of a mess and suitcases and things, but I mean, yeah, it's fine. So there is the door. This room is a bit different from the one that I had last year, but I mean, it's the same concept. Here is a closet, like I have this half of the closet. It looks the same like last year. Up here I have my suitcase. Here are dresses, shirts and jackets, and then here we have some other clothes and my shoes down. Finally, a big mirror because I missed this so much in Madrid. I didn't have like full-size mirror, so now I can look at my outfit. And here is my space, my area. Under there I have a drawer again, and I keep like a lot of things that don't have its space in a wardrobe, and that should be just hidden. Here is another suitcase, and here is like my bed table where I keep my jewelry and like some books and that. Here is a thing for like a laundry, and here is a trash for now, but maybe I'm gonna move that. And of course here is the table that I share with my roommate. We have a little fridge, my big suitcase that I don't have at the moment where to put, so I think it's just gonna stay there. And these are the things for kitchen that I need to put in our little cupboard in kitchen. But yeah, this part of the room is hers, so basically we are kind of separated more than I was with my other roommate last year. But yeah, I really like how it is now. I think I even like this room a bit more. And then here we have a bathroom. Okay, now I have to enter because the light is automatic. So there is a shower and like everything that there is in a bathroom. That's it basically. Not such a big room, but I mean enough. And yeah, as you see, I mean, she obviously has more stuff because she's been September or October here, and I just came here. So yeah, I'm still like getting used to it, but update on the roommate, she's super nice, and yeah, so far I really like her. And that is it. Your girl also became a Mensa girl, because this year I got a scholarship on time, so I can go to Mensa like for free for 1 meal per day. And yeah, in the past 2-3 days I went there for dinner, but now I'm going for lunch. So that's also fun, because so many of my friends are going to Mensa, so we just kind of eat together there, and it's so much easier because I don't have to cook every day like 3 times to prepare a meal or something. But yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow evening for Belgrade, and I'm gonna stay there for 10 days, I think. My friends here are now having their exams, so it doesn't make sense for me to sit here, because I would have to hang out alone, because they are like really working on the project and studying and everything. So I decided it's better to go home and chill for a bit and see my baby cat. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you have any questions or you want me to do a video on something now since I moved back to Venice, let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao!